a rough style. The real criminal are the COP. You check for undercover on the 1DT. But just cause me a black man, them won't check me. They check out me car, courage shine like the sun. But them jealous and them vexed cause them can't afford one. Black people still slaves up to today, but the black police officer doesn't see it that way. He want him salary, he want it, so he put on a badge and kill people for it. My grandfather had to deal with the cop. My great-grandfather dealt with the cop. My great-grandfather had to deal with the cop. And my great-great-great-great